Alright, we're back. We are back. Now let's see if I can see my chat. Where's my chat? Where's my chat? There you are. I got my chat up. Nice. Nice. Okay, I got it. Alright, so. Whoa. 21,316 for Bitcoin. This is crazy. This is absolute insanity. Absolute insanity. And the alts are holding up, though. This is the thing. This is the thing, because Bitcoin dominance is just capitulating as well. This is interesting. Look at that. Wow. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. My friends are going to be so mad at me that I told them to buy some Bitcoin today. I mean, you got to buy Bitcoin at 20K or whatever, you know? And you buy a little more. You buy a little more. ETH, almost $1,000. I could buy like a whole Ethereum. God. Is ETH going to go to $600? Is that possible? I mean, look at this. You don't have much looking left on ETH. Here. Look at the VPVR. Look at this. You are now in Goblin Town. I mean, you could see. Look at that. That could fall straight through. And to be honest with you, I mean, you could see a freaking $200 ETH, $500 ETH. You know, I mean, I don't even know why I have this marked off. Because of that little resistance right there. I mean, in essence, where do you start? Like right here is where you get your first like bounce. Oh my God. That would take a while though. I mean, that's another 30%. So, I mean, let's just check from all-time high how far down it is. All-time high, ETH is down 76%. $700 would put it down at 85%. All right, 95% correction puts it at $200. Look at this. Look at this. What's Twitter saying right now? Oh, how did I exit that short? How did I get out of that short? Look, just jump back into the short. Look at this. Where's my, 19,000. There it is. Look at this. It's just going to come up and liquidate. It comes up and liquidates, and then it goes back down. I mean, if you're not entering 100x shorts, then you can just short whatever you want. Look at this. Look at all short. Let's go. We should be getting a bounce though. I don't know why I'm shorting. That was a bad idea. That was an absolute bad idea. But really, I think this thing is going straight down. We're live. We are live. We are live. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that price it gave me. If I get liquidated, I get liquidated. Let's see what Twitter's saying. If you don't follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. All right. Look at this. Oh my God. Nothing really happening on Twitter. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Oh, I got liquidated. 100%. There it is. Out of money now. Crap. What was I doing? I just lost $10. Hey, there's my highlighter. That's okay. We don't need that money. Oh my God. I shouldn't have done that. I knew I shouldn't have done that. I did it live on stream. This is absolute insanity. This is absolute insanity. Bitcoin could be going to 10K. Bitcoin could be going at this rate. Look at this. This is absolute insanity. There's our all-time high. We're how far away are we from all-time high? 10% away from all-time high. 10%. Insanity. There's nobody here yet. Absolute insanity. What did it wick down to? Wick down to 21.1. 21.122. I mean, look at this RSI. The 4 hours at a 10. The 8 hours at a 16. Alright. The daily, which is extremely oversold, is at a 22. Let's look at it on the weekly. The weekly is at a 27. And if you look back, I mean, the last time Bitcoin's RSI was that low was the absolute bear market down here. And even then, it wasn't that low. This is the lowest the RSI has ever been. This is literally the worst bear market of all time. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. And that's just because there's bullish divergence. There was a bullish divergence on the 1 minute. Boom. Bullish divergence, bounce up, and then we're going to come right back down. And then we're coming right back to it. Do-do-do-do-do-do. I got no more money left. Absolutely no money. No money. Valuable lessons are learned. Valuable lessons are learned. Coming back down to Goblin Town. Coming right back down. This is absolute insanity. What are we looking at? I mean, you can't even do TA on this, to be honest with you. I mean, look at this. I mean, ever since we broke that, I mean, we were in this bear flag here. Something like this. It was looking something like this back in the day. It looked like that. It was like a little bear flag. Boom. Done. I mean, even if you took the length of the pole there, let's play. Let's play a little bit. You take the length of the pole. Alright? You go down to where you broke down. Where does that put us? Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. The only problem is I don't know if it goes from that top line or the bottom line. I think it goes from the top line, but if it doesn't and we're coming down, nah, that doesn't make sense. So yeah, that would put you all the way down to 3K. But that's just a little bit of extraness. 21.118. Pop back into the lower time frames. My friends are going to be so mad at me. I told them to buy Bitcoin today. I should have waited a day. I got to tell my dad to buy some Bitcoin. He says he doesn't have any money. We all don't have money. It's a recession. Solana, $26. God, these are great prices, man. These are freaking phenomenal prices. You know what the crazy part is that once we finally do get some green, it's going to be like, what? I don't know what kind of bounce we're going to get. I think you're going to get a large capitulation candle and then a huge bounce, I think. My opinion. My humble opinion. In my humble opinion. What else we got going on here? So these are my top coins here. Alright, I am still in love with Solana. I'm in love with AVAX. Chainlink is a great coin. Atom, Quant, Arweave, Cadena. My meme coin is Ape. Let's move Sandbox up a little bit. These are more better plays here. Matic should be up there a little bit more. Crow, I think I'm gonna get rid of Crow. Let's put Crow down here. I'm not the biggest fan of Crow. Vet is still a good one. Secret's a real degen play. Some of these are real degen plays, but let's get that off of Algorand. And yeah, so where are we at now? 21.11. Make a wish. Are we gonna see a 20K Bitcoin on stream? 20K, here we come. Almost there. Almost there. 20K Bitcoin. Maybe I should change the name of the... Can I change 20K Bitcoin? Let's do my thumbnail. Where are you? Oh. Let's change the thumbnail. Back to Bitcoin. We get a bounce? We got a little bounce. What was that? What was that wick at? That wick was the lowest, almost 20K. 21.5. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. Yeah. Unbelievable. Oh my god. You know, not for nothing. I mean, I don't even know if I would be buying right now if I had money. Waiting till Wednesday might be the best thing that's happening to me. I'm gonna feel like putting my whole paycheck into freaking crypto. I know that. I know that. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're almost there. We're $85 away. This boy I watched, Jordan Cameron. If you don't know who Jordan Cameron is, he's got a great stream. He's supposed to eat a sock if Bitcoin goes below 20K. He's very close. Very, very, very close. Here we go. This could be it. 20K Bitcoin. This is the moment. Still buy. Let's get to the 15-second. Oh, there it is. $32 away on that wick. Wants to do it. Let's see that 20. Let's see that 20 pop into there. So close. Granted, we're on the 15 second. Let's go to the 1 second chart. Look at this. Let's see. 23. Getting some buys. It's slowly bleeding. Slowly. 34, 31, 25, 23. Oh, could this be the candle? Look, it paused. It's broken. Oh, looks like, oh, was that it? Yeah, I'm on the 5 second chart. 16. Did I miss it? Oh, so close. 21. Oh, it's just right there. Oh, it's $5 away. $10 away. Oh, big buy. up. We're moving up. Oh, sold off. Right. Oh, it's so close. There it is. There it is. Here it comes. Here it comes. 21. Look how. This is going to be a big order right here. Big order. Look at how it pauses. Oh, so close. It won't do it. Where is it? Come on. 20K. 20K. Where are you at? 20K. Oh, we're moving up. Oh, look at these buys. Oh, awesome volatility. It doesn't want to go below 21K. It doesn't want to go. There might be so many buy orders right now. It doesn't want to do it. Oh, we're moving up. We're moving up. Oh. Oh well. Oh. Oof. I would put in a long, but I don't have any money left. The low, $21,000. Exactly. Isn't that amazing? Let's see if it's coming back down. Here it comes. Come on. Oh, right there. It's right there. Oh. I would have never thought. I don't know. It doesn't want to go. Feels like forever. Oh. This is it. This is it. This is it. Didn't do it. 20. There it is. It flashed 20. There it is. 20. 20K. 20K. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. There it is, baby. Holy shnikes. Holy shnikes. Let's see how well. Dude, at this rate, I think maybe a 10K Bitcoin is in the cards. Could be 7K. I mean, you got to think about it like this. You got to think about it like this. That let's go to the weekly. I mean, right here. I mean, how far away are we? How far would that be from all-time highs? From all-time highs, Bitcoin usually has an 85% correction, which would put it at roughly 10K. Drop another 50% from here. It's wild. Yeah, we're gonna play around in the sandbox a little bit, but this is another nasty downtrend. I can't wait to get paid. I can't wait. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Unbelievable. There it is. 20K Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Live on stream. With nobody here. But hey, you know what? This is what it is. This is what it is. Let's see what's going on in the Twitterverse. Someone just market sold 65K ETH to pay down their meager position. Oh, that's from 21 hours ago. So who's going all in on Bitcoin at 20K right now? If you have fiat lying around, back up that truck. If you ever started your auto DC lane, do it now at swan.com. This is an incredible opportunity to catch Celsius just added more collateral to their Bitcoin position, lowering their liquidation price. See, here's the thing. This Celsius thing that's going on, they're trying to liquidate Celsius. So there's your bottom right there. Whatever the liquidation price for Celsius is, that's going to be your bottom. That's what's going to be your bottom. Yeah. MicroStrategy took a loan to buy more Bitcoin a few months ago using 19,000 BTC as collateral. Margin call is 21,000. It just hit it, so there it is. Now watch it go up. We just liquidated Sailor. You liquidated Sailor. Now we go up. Maybe they were going after Sailor. Maybe they were going after Sailor, you know? Well, they didn't get any buys in of Bitcoin at 20K. I don't even think I have any. ETH went down to the lucky ones. If they were trying to liquidate Sailor, this thing could go up now. If that's the truth. Let's see what happens. It could just be getting a bounce. I mean, this is a knife. An absolute knife. I don't even think I could buy anything. I don't even think I could buy $100 worth because my bank account is at like negative. Oh. Where's my phone? Let's see. My portfolio is looking glim. I only got like, I had 600 in ETH. Let's see what it's at right now. $400. Whew. Whew. Try to buy some Bitcoin right now. I don't know if I should even try. I should just wait for my bank to, I wish you could buy with a credit card. I don't think you can add a credit card though. Bank account, yeah. Yeah, no. Oh boy. Getting a little bit of a bounce. Look at this. I mean, here's the deal. You top out. You capitulate down there. I think we're right here in this line right here. And then we're going to go sideways for a while. You know, wherever we land. We'll see. Sideways for a year. DCA. DCA, buddy. That's it. These are great prices. The thing that's shocking to me is the dominance. Oh, dominance got a bounce. There's a bounce with dominance. Alright. Looking weak still. Look at that. Look at that. That's a bounce for ants. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. So, all right, let's see how low. Let's see if we hit 20K again. Let's see. Let's get it. Where is this thing gonna stop? Here's the deal. Here is the deal. I got Bitcoin stopping. If you take a look on the weekly, right, and you go to your little Trader's Reality indicator, well, that's Lux Algo. I don't want Lux Algo. I want Trader's Reality. There you are. Right here. Look left. You got all these yellow vector candles right here. This is what you got. And that's what you're taking right now. You're taking all these candles. All these high volume candles. Here's your next stop. 19,062. That's your next stop. That breaks. You're coming down here, 16,705, 300 week EMA. Now, you could get a wick down here and then a wick back up. All right, but you also have the prior all-time, well, not the prior high from the little mini bull cycle you had over here at 13,810. Okay, really your high volume node, like all your support right here, 12K. I mean, that's where you're getting your major support, and then boom, tons of support. That red line on the DPR, 9,200. I mean, those are your levels. Those are your levels right now. Oh, did it break 20K yet? Yeah, it did break. Well, it didn't break 20K. It went to 20K. I'll show you the wick. So that right there. Let's get off Trader's Reality because it messes everything up. I'll show you a little bit about Trader's Reality and how to use those candles too if you want to see. But so what do we got here? We got 20,978 on that close on that 4-hour candle right there. Oof. And we're coming back down. It is not looking good. This is great. This is great. I hope that you have money to buy the dip. I am out of money. I get paid on Wednesday, so we're hoping to buy the dip right there. So here's how this Trader's Reality candles things work, right? So if you look, you see these little yellow candles here. What happens is that a yellow volume candle will spike up, and then price will come back down and take it. It'll spike up, and then price will come back down in here and take it. So let's just go to a higher time frame, right? Here's another good example right there. Price spiked up, comes down to take it. All right, 2-hour time frame. Let's see if we got any on there. No real vector candles there. I mean, there's another example, right? Over here. High volume candle, coming back down and take it. High volume candles, comes back down and take it. So you see price spike up. You get a little Bart Simpson pattern up here. Short that. That was actually a diamond reversal pattern right there. Short it, back down to the downside. That's the long skinny of it. That is the long skinny of it. Let's go back into the smaller time frames. We are at 21,000. Looks like we're gonna break again. A lot of orders here. I was looking on the 1 second chart. There it is, 20K. Flashed again. Oh, this is amazing. This is absolutely phenomenal. But look, there's some buyers here. There's some buyers here. Asia's just dumping on us. That's all that's happening. Oof. ETH in the ones. 1,112. There we go. There it is. We're getting there. I'm looking for a big capitulation candle. I'm looking for something to take us down to like 17K. They're coming. So here's what I was looking at too before on Twitter. We got Celsius just added more collateral to their on-chain Bitcoin position, lowering their liquidation price to $17,211. So if they're trying to liquidate Celsius, there's your bottom, right? Now Sailor took a loan to buy more Bitcoin using 19,000 BTC collateral. The margin call price is 21,000. So we are liquidating Sailor right now, unless he added more. But the more leverage that these guys use, I think the more the price is going to go down because they're trying to liquidate them all. I mean, it's that simple. It is that simple. Don't play with leverage. I play with leverage all the time. That's how I lose all my money. I'm just going to be buying spot, I think. I'm not going leverage long on anything. I'm going to start buying spot. Maybe I can't help but trade. Here we go. Here we go. I feel like I should have on like classical music, like ba 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 ba. I know my man Jordan plays the dump song. I'm not Jordan. I don't know if you watch Jordan Cameron. He's hysterical. I watch his stream every night. It's phenomenal. I'm a member. You might watch Jordan. I don't know if you do. You're still in here. You are. Nice to have you. You're my first live viewer ever. by the way. First live viewer ever. So we're looking for 19,000. Where are you? There you are, 19,062. So we still got another $2,000 to drop. I was expecting it to dip quick as soon as it hit 20s. I'm buying the dip once it hits 18K. Yeah. Good. 18K is great buy price. I mean, here's the thing. 18K, absolutely. Buy some there. But, I mean, when I do look at this, I mean, I look on the VPVR, try to get all the data in there. See, the VPVR works like where whatever the price data is will give you all the volume. I mean, the reason why we capitulated so much is because we had all this space in here. Look at this. There's like no volume. All in there. Zero volume. Alright. Now we're getting down to where we do have some trading going on. It's not going to be straight down. Alright. There's going to be some trading going on in this area right here. I like that 18K though, because that's basically where you're going to start trading again. That's where you're going to see a bounce. Could see a bounce. But I'm worried about that liquidation price for Celsius, to be honest with you. That's what I'm worried about. Getting another bounce. A lot of buy orders there. Right at 20K. You can see some chop up in here. You can see some chop. Some chop liver. Let's check out Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance actually is surprisingly breaking down. We got a Bitcoin dump and the dominance is going down. That's a little weird. You would expect dominance to be mooning to the upside. That's something. Let's take a look at USDT. Just going. I wish I could have longed this. Look, it went past my measured move. I had USDT in this triangle right here, right? I had a measured move to there, and it is just mooning to the upside. Absolutely mooning. I don't know how high that's going to go. Let's take a look on the higher time frames. Let's see if this thing is gone. There's not much history on this. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to 10K. Oh, that bounce up and then it'll move right back down. $20,866. Whew. This is great. This is great. I can't wait to get paid on Wednesday. I can't wait. It's going to be fantastico. ETH about to go to about $1,000. Let's check out ETH. ETH, $1,100. Here's the good thing. Here's the funny thing about ETH. So ETH, when I look on my VPVR, all right. Let's see if I can make this a little bit clearer. All right, look. Here was all your volume right here. You just passed that. Now you are just gonna gap down to $700. That's what it looks like it's gonna happen. You're gonna get a $700 ETH, $700 to $800 ETH. That's crazy. I want to buy a whole Ethereum. That's what I want to do. I want to buy a whole Ethereum. Although I don't know if that's smart or not. Tell me what you think in the chat. If you would you buy Bitcoin or would you buy Ethereum? ETH usually outperforms BTC, but in a in a bear market, Bitcoin does better. You know? I don't know. Dumpola. Chilling on the 1 minute chart. You know, and I don't know how you are in crypto, but you know, taking a quick look, crypto goes in these cycles. This is my beginner's guide to crypto assets. All right, there's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. It'll give you this whole PowerPoint. But basically, if you are new, you're probably not. You know, you're on crypto YouTube right now. You know, it goes in these cycles right here. You know, you got money goes from Bitcoin. Whoa. There he is. phase one, flow to money to Bitcoin, then we'll flow to Ethereum, and then it flows to large caps in the alt season. So if you really want to buy something, I think buying Bitcoin is the best thing, because that's where the money will go first. So your portfolio will go up first from your Bitcoin, get a little bounce, all right, and then you see Bitcoin starting to go up, all right, you can move some of that into Ethereum, and kind of ride that up, and then if you wanted to move it into some of these other altcoins, my favorite altcoins, I got on my list right here. I got Solana on there. It goes down every 5 seconds or whatever, but you know what? It's got a ton of VC backing, and people actually use Solana. There's a lot of active users on Solana. I like that. AVAX, I like AVAX. It's got all those subnets. Chainlink, obviously. I like Atom. I love Quant, Arweave, Cadena, and then I got these other ones. I got Sandbox, HBAR, ADA, XRP, Matic, ApeCoin, maybe. I might get rid of that. FTT, Rune, Gala, Harmony One, eGold, Vet, Secret, Cody, STG. These are absolute S coins down here, to be honest with you. STG is it's like a layer 0, if you will. And that chart looks like an absolute joke. I mean, look at this. Straight down. Absolutely straight down. One of these like hype coins. Look at this. You can't even find the top. You can't even find the top. But, this is one of those things where, you buy it down here. Look at that. 1,000% back to all-time high. Who knows? Just throw $100 in there, see what happens. You never know. Right? Total market cap. Let's take a look at total market cap. So, yeah, look at total. Total. Here's what worries me is we're now in this gap right here. That gap right there. I mean, that's not what you want to see, right? So total, we'd be going down to half a $1 trillion. $550 billion for your total market cap. That is not good. Not good at all. We're coming up on the all-time high right here at about 750 billion. That's what we're coming to. So what do we think is going to happen? I don't know. What I got these lines for, by the way, I mean, these are like your quarters. So this is like where's quarter one? We are in, I don't know what quarter we're in, like quarter 3, quarter 4, right? Here's where I think the bear market kind of ends, right towards the end of the year. That's why I got that one in red. And then I got our halving over here around March 24th. So we got to get through all this. So what do we think is going to happen? Kind of think that we're going to kind of come down. I mean, there's your 15K. We could get down that low. I mean, God help us. What happens if we come down there? But eventually, we're going to break this trend line. We're going to be going sideways there, break that trend line, come up, and then kind of go sideways till the halving. Have a move down, and then boom. I kind of think the halving is going to get front run this year, this time, because everyone knows what the deal is. $20,886. I think the halving is going to get front run. Oh my God, this is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, I'm frozen. Let's fix that. Why am I over here? There we go. Sometimes it freezes on me. Let's float you on top. Alright. Bitcoin's dumping. Let's see what's going on here. What's going down? I don't know what WeMex is, but look, double digits all around. ETH down 17%. Bitcoin Cash. Look at the CRV. Everything's just down in double digits. It's an absolute bloodbath. Absolute bloodbath. Crypto Fear and Greed Index was an 8 today. Not good. Bitcoin down 7% on TradingView. I mean, I don't know what else. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. What's the Dixie doing? Mooning, just mooning. DXY is just mooning. I mean, what's your hope? Your hope is, and I don't think this is even valid anymore. You can get like a little M top pattern where you come up, M top, back down. That's your hope, but that's some straight up hopium. Getting a bounce. Getting another bounce. It's gonna be a slow bleed. This is gonna be one of those things where we go to bed and then we wake up and Bitcoin is at like 18K and you gotta wake up and buy. That's what you're gonna have to do. Sailor just got margin called. Now they're going for Celsius. Leverage is crazy. Mr. Market Maker knows where to move price just to liquidate anybody and everybody who's leveraging up. I mean, now I bet you Bitcoin dominance is going up. Is it going up right now? Yeah, you can tell because the alts are like Solana's down 8%, where Bitcoin's only down 5%. Ethereum is down 7%. So dominance is getting a bit of a bounce here. Where's dominance gonna go? In my opinion, dominance. I mean, again, you're gapped, like right here. You have nothing in this gap. So it's likely Bitcoin just goes on a tear of a run when it bounces. So I would be in Bitcoin and not in altcoins, in my opinion. And if you're looking, I mean, right now what it's doing is it's testing that 50 EMA right there. So it's coming down to test that 50 EMA, correct a little bit, get your reset your indicators a little bit, and then boom, we're off to the races again. And Bitcoin is either going to be bouncing and going on its running sideways, But it's very likely that Bitcoin runs sideways. This thing is going up while Bitcoin is running sideways, right? And alts are just stagnant, or bleeding against Bitcoin more than likely. Oh, this is our. I'm like, whoa, what happened? It's our 1 second chart. There's your 1 second chart. Getting a good bounce. That's a good bounce. Oh, look at that. That's a great bounce. But here's the thing, is that price always reverts back to the 50. That's the deal. So you can't get too excited on these bounces because look at this teal line. It holds it all the way down. I mean, the 50 is just holds everything down. On the 1 hour, look at how far extended you are. I mean, just to get back, just to retrace to the 50 on the 1 hour is at 25K. And it's not doing that. Your RSI is oversold to shit, Even your Stokes on the hourly were topping out and now pointing down. Although you might be getting some relief here because they're coming to the bottom. You got your Stokes coming to the bottom on a lot of these. But on the smaller time frames is where you want to look. So you're getting your bounce here, one because your 15-minute Stokes are down there. All right, they're going to be coming up. 7-minute, yeah. But as soon as that resets, you're going to be looking for more downside. So, you pop into the 1 minute here, your Stokes get high, and we're going to come back down. You got over the 50 EMA on the 1 minute. Maybe you're trying to hold it as support. I mean, that's positive. I don't think that says much, I don't think it says much. 3 minute didn't even get up there. So you're breaking your 21 EMA. My EMAs, in case you were wondering, I use your 8, 21, 55, and then my 200. That's basically what I use, and those are Fibonacci numbers. That's basically where I get those from. There isn't much TA to do. I mean, I did have, I did call this. I will give myself credit for that. You probably don't follow me on Twitter, all right? What's Lark saying? Smashing through the 200 week? Yup, absolutely. I did post this. All right, the other day, I don't know what day this was, but we were in that triangle right there, and we broke it. And I had a target down at 24K, and then we just blew past that. So, you know, I could be a really good trader. I really could. It's just that I use too much leverage and I get antsy and stuff like that. But I know a little bit about the charts. A little bit. I mean, I also follow a lot of people. You probably know some of these people I follow. I mean, I listen to BitBoy on my way home from work. I like Ben Cowan. All my favorite YouTubers are on the PowerPoint right here. All right. Altcoin Daily is good for news and stuff like that. Crypto Face is a great trader. Here's my boy Jordan. He's funny as hell. All right. Traders Reality. Tino is the man, the absolute goat. Education, White Boy Crypto Casey's got a nice macro view. If you want some hopium, you watch George from Cryptos R Us and Crypto Wendy O. She's all right. She's just all right. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce. Things don't go down in straight lines. That's for damn sure. You have to bounce. Because your RSIs need to reset. So, right, your 5-minute RSI is kind of reset up there. 7 minutes can reset. You have no bullish divergence on any of these. Absolutely none. You probably had bullish divergence here on the low. Let's see. Yeah, right here. You had lower lows, higher lows, bullish divergence, bounce up. That's where you get your bounce from. If you can find that, you know, I just got rid of my RSI. There we go. If you could find that, then you could put in, if you could spot that, then you could throw in like a scalp leverage long. I mean, if you did spot that, you spot it right there, you throw in your long, 100x leverage, and you made yourself 200%. I'm just saying. I've done it a few times, but it's super dangerous. I mean, you're catching a falling knife. And what ends up happening is that you come back up, and then you're coming right back down. In fact, if you put on Traders Reality, right, and that's my boy Tino, the guy I was just showing you before, all right, I bet you had some vector candles here that you had to take, that you're going to come back down here and take. So there's your yellow vector candle right there. Boom. High volume one, coming back down to take it. Further downside. Very likely. Although, yeah, you took this one. Go to the higher time frame. Yeah, look at that. You're gonna come back down and take that. So even if you come back up a little bit here, you're coming back down to take it. So if you think you missed 20K or whatever, you know, you think you didn't miss it. You're coming back down to take it. It's that simple. It's going nowhere. This price is going nowhere. No need to take out a loan or buy crypto on a credit card. I can wait till Wednesday when I get paid. It'll be fine. It will be fine. Absolutely. You're still with me. Where are you from? T channel. I'm sitting here in New Jersey. If you watch any other YouTubers, let me know. I mean, I watch crypto YouTube all day long. I can't help it. It's my vice. I watch the charts all day. I can't help it. What else is good here? Let's just take a look at some of these altcoins. I just like looking at the charts. I like seeing where we're at. That's not a good Solana chart. Let's see this Solana chart. I don't know if you like Solana. I got levels here on Solana. I got support and resistance levels here. I mean, we break this, we're coming back down to $22. That's that wick right there. You break these wicks, I mean, you don't have much. In fact, if you throw on Traders Reality, it'll tell you exactly what it wants to take. It looks like it's taken most of the vector candles on the weekly. You took this guy right here. Came down, you took him. I mean, Solana could be hitting a bottom. It doesn't have any vector candles to take. I mean, if you look, I mean, it never really took any of these, though. It never took this one right here. Because what happens is that price moves past it, and then it comes back to it. So, I mean, you took half of this one, but this one was never taken. So you could be seeing a $12 Solana. Yeah. I would load up on Sol at $12. I think that's a great price. I mean, other than that, you could be coming here. $8.24. $8.24 for Solana. Those are your levels right there. I mean, this right here for $15. I mean, that's your resistance. You could flip that into support. You know, but Sol is looking bearish, and then I would watch that. There's your trend line right there. As soon as you break that, you're headed for a nice little breakout. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Looks like we're getting a good bounce. We're getting a good bounce. Yeah. Take this off. All right, but here's the deal: is you might be going, oh, Bitcoin bounced at 20K and this is the bottom. It's not, because you had that vector candle. You got that vector candle, and it's gonna come back down and take it. It did not take that candle. It is very likely you're coming back down to take that candle. Yeah, on the 15-minute, you're gonna come up, probably test these lows right here, right? Maybe come up, maybe try to break the high, you know. If you're lucky, because even then, you got. I mean, that's a 3% move up to the daily open. You know, you're gonna be back in the green for the day, and that's very unlikely that you're gonna even go green for the day. So you're probably just gonna come up here, test the 21 on the 15-minute. Maybe you come back to the 50 EMA. Then you're coming right back down. So we've missed nothing. We have missed nothing. I don't know if you subscribe to my channel, but subscribe. You'd be like my first subscriber. That would be dope. That would be absolutely dope. I'll try to make a video every day. I was making videos every day for a while, and no one was watching them. But I was like, you know what? Like, if it's a bear market, that's when you got to be making content. And I freaking love crypto. I don't have a ton of crypto. I'm trying to accumulate mine. But yeah. You know, for events, we got CPI. We got the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. That's what we're looking out for. That's probably where you're going to get your capitulation. So, anyway, you're gone. I guess it's time for me to sign off. Peace out, everybody. Take care.